Hey everyone, this is Jerry with Big Dreams Little Homestead, and we have a problem. That's right, and here it is, right here. These have to go. And why do they have to go? Well, let's go look. Let's go look. We made a little purchase, guys. And this is how we do it here on Big Dreams Little Homestead. That's right. I would imagine that most people would not put something like that on top of their minivan. But here at Big Dreams Little Homestead, we're not most people. And so I will make it happen however I have to. That is 10 cattle panels. That is going to be a 40-foot polytunnel or hoop house, whichever you want to call it. Coming to Big Dreams Little Homestead near you. But before we can get there, I know some of y'all don't like it, but it's going to have to be this right here. That's right. We're going to have to get busy cutting down these trees.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on over here.
On smooth.
I have been putting this off because I didn't really want to do it, but here we are. We got to make it happen. And this is really going to cause some problems right here, because when I go to put in my back cut, this tree right here is going to get in the way. This little one. So we're going to have to deal with that some way. I don't know how, but we're about to figure it out. So, here we go. Always fuel your chainsaw before you get going. Stay tuned. All right, well, it looks like we have fuel. sometimes it don't want to come out. There we go.
When in doubt, beat the heck out of it.
Now how to get the back cut? Well, we're gonna just go for it. All right, baby, watch what you got.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Might be up there too high.
Yeah.
Starting to move.
Timber!
There we go, boys and girls. There we go. Now we got to get this down so we can get this one down. One down. Ah. Even when it's little like this, go ahead and put your wedge in so you can aim it. There we go. So, we've got several down. We got several more to go. We're going to take this one right here down. This little branch right here, because it's in the way of this little one.
It's attacking!
Whatever we take down here, on our property, which I know I'm taking quite a few things down. But one thing I want you to notice is we have these same trees right over here and right there, and those we won't be taking down. And I got a mealyworm on my hand. I guess he wanted to hang out. So we're not taking all of anything down, like what the trees I took down on the other side the other day. There's still like 2 more of those same trees so that we can reproduce them again. So we do have conservation in mind. But this right here, the reason this is a problem is because this is part of the place where we're going to have the hoop house. And not only that, but these trees right here, see that huge tree over there? Yeah, we're not taking that down. That huge one. Even though it might shade us a little bit, it doesn't seem to shade too much. But these right here have really been shading our panels. So that's another reason that they had to go. That tree over there, even if it does shade our panels, I'm not cutting down big, nice trees like that, period. And like I said, we're still conserving this same species on our property right there. And these things, they seem to, a root will go out and it'll plunk down and it'll start a whole new tree. That's how all these happen. This was all cleared. So this was all grass at one time, about 40, 50 years ago, from what I hear from the locals. This has all been since the fire that took down the house, the footprint where we're sitting, our home. So this is all pretty new growth, and it's all bendy. And actually, I think there's a septic system under here somewhere that we'll probably find and refurbish at some point. But
Oh, shoot. Yeah, that's coming down on its own.
she going down now.
Well, she's trying to. Touch it with the chainsaw. There
I'll
you
take
go.
it. And hey, my wedge eventually came out, guys. We'll take our victories where we get them. that booger bear ain't coming out of there yet. Hey guys, so I got my wedge cut and I really don't want to go any deeper than that right there. So it don't want to pop out. So I got this right here just so I can pry on it a little bit. Yeah, that's got to be cut. There we go, guys. And there's our wedge. And I'm sure someone will say, boy, you sure make some terrible looking wedges. I probably can't argue with you.
But they do the job.
All right, here we go. We're gonna cut it on the back and see what happens. There it goes. Another one down, boys and girls. Another one down, boys and girls. We got one more to go. And this one is really shady.
Which one? This one, the twisted one?
Yep. This one is really shady.
All the way twisted, top to bottom.
He's got to go. out, baby.
Watching. Now
that was one sketchy tree. That was one sketchy tree. But look what we've done, guys. We've opened up some more sun for our solar. We've opened up area here, which was coming up to that stump right there, so we can push our stuff all the way back as soon as we get those stumps dug up, and you'll see that coming up. Appreciate everyone that came through, and as always, peace.